All right, let's dive right into this explainer. If you're in the solar power industry, well, you already know the demand for renewable energy is absolutely exploding right now. But let's be real, behind the scenes, scaling a solar business can sometimes feel like trying to navigate a maze while blindfolded. Today, we're unpacking a complete, ready-to-use solution that clears that path entirely, from top to bottom.
So what exactly is this game changer? We're looking at a solution from Synconics Technologies. They've built a comprehensive Odoo solar ERP, and what makes this special is that it's designed explicitly from the ground up for this industry. We're talking EPCs, engineering, procurement, and construction companies, as well as residential installers and broad renewable energy businesses. It's the whole shebang.
But before we get into the shiny features, we have to look at the harsh reality. Are you still facing these massive headaches? Disconnected tools, completely wrong capacity estimations, agonizing project delays? It's a domino effect, right? These disjointed workflows lead straight into inventory stockouts, absolutely zero financial clarity, and ultimately, the worst part, a really poor customer experience. A lot of contractors are literally bleeding time and money here. While here is where you can breathe a huge sigh of relief. The core concept here is total unification. No more spreadsheets, no more disconnected tools. Juggling a dozen different manual tracking files is incredibly risky, not to mention exhausting. Synconics Technologies built this to manage your exact requirements, from that very first lead all the way through to the final project handover and ongoing support. And as you'll see, it builds into this perfectly seamless end-to-end workflow. Think of it like a perfectly orchestrated assembly line. It kicks off with CRM and leads, flows effortlessly into your site survey, moves right into design and estimation, generates that quotation, locks down your inventory management, and finally tracks the actual project execution. Everything is connected. Let's break down some of the heavy lifting, starting with inventory and finance. This system targets zero stockouts, yes, literally zero, while giving you real-time financial insights. For your solar inventory, you're tracking panels, inverters, and batteries across multiple warehouses with strict batch and serial tracking. Add automated procurement and smart milestone billing into the mix, and you suddenly have project-wise profitability and tax compliance right out of the box. No more guessing what your margins actually are. Now, on the sales side of things, it gives your team a brilliantly smart dashboard and CRM. By visually analyzing active versus completed projects, your sales team is finally empowered to make lightning-fast, data-driven decisions. You can easily track leads and conversions, generate accurate revenue forecasts, schedule those crucial site visits, and even put your follow-ups on autopilot. Okay, time to get out in the field for this site survey and design phase. With this ERP, you're capturing highly specific property details right there on location. You're logging electricity usage, roof dimensions, shading analysis, and geolocation tracking. And whether that setup is on-grid, off-grid, or a hybrid, you can immediately start planning the exact panel wattage, the inverter brands, and the mounting structures you'll need for the job. Here's where it gets really cool. All of that field data feeds directly into an intelligent estimation engine and ROI calculator. This thing doesn't just calculate your panel capacity and costs instantly, it handles the really complex math, like government subsidy estimations and long-term savings projections. It's designed to help your customers say yes way faster by showing them exactly what their return on investment is going to look like. So the customer says yes. What's next? Well, managing the quotes and project tasks is handled incredibly smoothly. We all know how messy back and forth revisions can get, but here it's straightforward, thanks to dynamic approval workflows and real-time version tracking. You can generate professional, technical PDF reports, fire them off via email, and assign multi-level tasks to your crew, so every single person knows their exact responsibilities. Now, when the boots hit the roof for the actual installation, we enter the quality control phase. To make absolutely sure every install meets strict engineering and performance standards, the system mandates configurable quality checks. It pushes dynamic checklists right to your team on site for mounting system verification and panel quantity validation. It even requires photographic evidence of your DC wiring. That guarantees the job is done right the very first time. And right alongside that quality control is rigorous performance testing. You don't just pack up the truck and leave, you systematically benchmark the performance of the entire setup first. We're talking VOC and ISC testing, validating the actual solar generation, and ensuring the inverter output matches the technical promises you made to the client. You can even log specific noise, heating, and alarm checks. After a successful test, it's time for handover and warranty. From handing over the user manuals, layout diagrams, and commissioning reports to explaining maintenance and managing those inevitable warranty claims, your customer is never left in the dark. The system effortlessly handles RMA processes, tracking repairs and replacements for panels, batteries, inverters, and electrical parts seamlessly.
Because, it really all boils down to one fundamental industry truth. Strong after-sales equals repeat business. Taking exceptional care of your warranty and repair tracking isn't just an admin task. It builds long-term trust that directly fuels your future growth. A highly satisfied customer is, without a doubt, your absolute best source of referrals for new solar projects.
Now, you might be wondering, is this just for the big guys? What's truly impressive about this ERP is its flexibility. It really is built for all solar businesses. It doesn't matter if you're a residential installer putting panels on a single-family home, or if you're handling commercial EPC projects, executing complex industrial installations, or engineering massive utility-scale solar farms. This system is designed to scale precisely with your operational size.
So, to bring it all together, why choose this specific solar ERP? Well, opting for a fully customizable Odoo-based solution that is loaded with pre-built industry-specific workflows basically guarantees you three massive wins: incredibly faster project delivery, a huge reduction in manual error-prone work, and total real-time visibility over every single moving part of your business. Listen, if operational inefficiencies are holding back your growth, exploring a dedicated tool like this is absolutely the next logical step. You need to connect with them today to see it in action. You can book a live demo with Synconics Technologies right now. Call or WhatsApp them at +91 942 68 64274, or just shoot them an email at contact@synconics.com. It leaves us with a pretty provocative question. In an industry growing as wildly fast as renewable energy, how much faster could you dominate the market if your operations ran completely friction-free?